the same one? No kidding. The one with the nubbed up tail.
Hello my friends, it is Catfish Cameron. I love fishing for catfish, and I typically catch and release any sizable fish that I see fit. This fishing trip started off pretty normal, me catching standard bait fish. Little did I know it would turn into me catching the same exact catfish that I caught a year previous. I hope y'all enjoy this episode, and thank you for watching.
Wow, that's a buffalo, guys. Wow. That's gonna be a new bait for me. Buffalo. Wow. That really excites me, guys. This is my first ever buffalo, and these are known to be great catfish bait, guys. Let's get them up here. Alrighty, y'all, that's gonna be our bait tonight. Smallmouth buffalo. As you can see, no whiskers on him, and he's got a real small mouth. Pale as can be. The black tail, the dark color tail, I'm about 99% sure that's a smallmouth buffalo. Alrighty, y'all, let's just talk about my rod and reel setup here. Got a Penn Spinfisher 4500 paired up on a extra medium heavy slime cat rod that I won during one of the first ever virtual catfish conferences. Just rigged up with a Carolina rig, 65-pound braid main line, and a 60-pound mono leader to a 9/0 hook. Carolina rig, y'all. There's the piece of bait we're using. Nice chunk of smallmouth buffalo. Guys, I just put some of that buffalo down. I think we got a flathead. Yep, we got one. Got us a daytime flathead on the buff, guys. Pulling some drag there. Just fell off here. Flathead. Nice. I just put that piece of buffalo down there. Wasn't even expecting it to get hit. Daytime. Hooked him good too. Right under the jaw. That's a solid one. Nice. Fighter. Fighter, guys. Goodness. It's a good flathead. Loosen up on the drag just a tad bit. Get him here. Swim back in there for me, buddy. Nice. Got him, guys. On that fresh smallmouth buffalo, guys. That's a heavy fish. I just cut that up and put that down there. Wow, that's a heavy one. Flathead. Sweet. That's a fat one too, guys. Wow. What? Is that the same one? No kidding. The one with the nubbed up tail. You're kidding me. No way. I think this is the same fish caught twice, y'all. I'm about 98% sure. I'm gonna have to go back in the old footage. Pray I still have that video. With the same busted up tail. Oh, that is the same fish. I guarantee it. Sure looks like it, guys. That sure does look like the same fish. He's got that same janked up looking tail as that last one. I'll have to insert the footage right here pretty much. Bang. Flathead, guys. Nice. Nice, guys. Caught us a flathead. Finally. About dang time. It's about dang time, guys. Woo! Heck yeah. Finally, oh. Way down there. Heck yeah. Nice, guys, finally. Real light colored flathead. Caught our first little flathead of the trip, guys. Look at his tail. His tail is completely bit off. That's definitely from the spawn, y'all. It's probably a small female, I'd say. Doesn't look super beat up or anything. Look at that tail though, guys. Chewed off. That's from the spawn for sure. Alrighty, guys, there's that flathead. I'm gonna have to insert the footage. Look at that tail. I'm about 98% sure this is the same fish. Caught twice within about a year in the same exact area, y'all. We're gonna release them. That's a 10-pound flathead. Same exact fish. Look at that tail. Tell me. You guys let me know in the comments. You think this is the same fish caught back to back? I believe so, because I caught and released it. It only makes sense. These fish do not travel extremely far from their spawning grounds, so they come through the same areas multiple times. That's a nice fish, y'all. Got the 9/0 hook. Woo! Daytime flathead. That's my third ever daytime flathead. Nice fish. Ate the smallmouth buffalo fresh, like 15 minutes fresh. Nice flathead, y'all. Look at the size of them. Big old belly on them. Gonna release them. Off he goes. Off to fight another day for that fish. Put up a good fight too. I am so excited about that, y'all. I am really sure that is the same fish caught 2 times in a row. That does not happen very often. This is going to be a standalone video. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you think I'm crazy, let me know. If you think that's the same fish, drop it in the comments. I appreciate y'all watching. Fresh bait. Same fish twice? Question mark? Let me know in the comments, y'all. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to keep fishing.